Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today we will see chapter 11 and 17 in your GK book. So first we will study chapter 11. This is useful tools. So take out your books and open page number 2020. Children, what is a tool? A tool is a mechanical device that is used for making our task easier. So, here few pictures are given of tools, we will see them one by one. First of all, any device used for completing a task can be termed as tool. Have a look at the pictures of some of the tools used by different professionals for doing their jobs. These tools are used by different professionals for doing their job properly. Now, write their names using the help box. Now, we will see all these tools, find out their names from the help box. It is given at the bottom of the chapter. Now, we will start from first. This is a shovel. What is this? This is a shovel. Shovel is used for moving portion like snow, grains and sand from one place to another place. What is this? This is a saw. Saw is used for cutting hard substances like wood. It is mostly used by carpenters. What is this, children? This is a hammer. Hammer is used generally for carpentry, making cabinets, pulling out nails, etc. Now, we will see number 4, this is a chisel. What is this? This is a chisel. Chisel is used for making an uneven surface even. It is used for cutting and shaping wood and stones. What is this? This is a hand drill. What is the use of the hand drill? Hand drill is used for making small holes. This is a plier. Plier is used for twisting and cutting wires. Number 7, this is an axe. Axe is used for cutting or splitting wood. This is a screwdriver. It is used for tightening or loosening the screws. And the number 9 is wrench. What is this? This is wrench. Wrench is used for gripping, holding, tightening nuts and bolts. So, children, now we will see the spelling of these tools. Number 1 is shovel. The spelling of shovel is S-H-O-V-E-L, shovel. Number 2 is saw. The spelling of saw is S-A-W, saw. Number 3, it is hammer. The spelling of hammer is H-A-M-M-E-R. First letter should be capital. Number 4, chisel. The spelling of chisel is C-H-I-S-E-L, chisel. Number 5, hand drill. The spelling of hand, you know, H-A-N-D, hand, and the spelling of drill is T-R-I-L-L. H and D should be capital in hand drill. Number 6, plier. The spelling of plier is P-L-I-E-R, plier. Number 7 is axe. A-X-E. The spelling of axe is A-X-E. Now, number 8 is screwdriver. The spelling of screwdriver S R E W D R I V E R. Now number 9 is wrench. The spelling of wrench is W R E N C H, wrench. Now children, do this work in beautiful handwriting. Now we will see fact of this chapter. A tool which is used to cut grass in the lawn is known as a lawn mower. Children, what we will use for cutting grass in the lawn? We will use lawn mower. Now children, we will see next chapter. This is chapter 17, sports crossword. Do you know children, sports play an important role in our life. It develops self-confidence and team spirit and improving our physical and mental fitness. Now we will see in the chapter few sports are given. Now first of all we will read it. The fives of sports are stamina, speed, strength, skill and spirit. What are these? These are 5 S. It is starting from S. This is stamina, speed, strength, skill and spirit. Look at the picture and identify the sports in each. Then complete the crossword. One crossword is given here. So you have to complete this crossword with the help of these pictures, with the help of these sports. Now first picture is of tennis. It is written on number 1. This is the spelling of tennis, T-E-N-N-I-S. This sport is played by 2 or 4 players. So here we will write the spelling of tennis. T is already written here. So we will start from E, N, N, I, S. S is already written. All letters should be in capital. The spelling of tennis we will see again, T, E, N, N, I, S. T and S already written, so there is no need of writing them again. Now we will see second sport. This is swimming. What is this? This is swimming. Where swimming is written? Swimming is written on number 2. So we will write the spelling of swimming there. And children, swimming is a water racing sport. The spelling of swimming is S, W, I is already written and S is already written. So we will start from W, I, double M, I, N, G. The spelling of swimming is S, W, I, double M, I, N, G. This is swimming. Now we will see third picture. This is basketball. Which picture is this? This is basketball. There are 2 teams in this game and in each team there are 5 players. Now we will see the spelling of basketball. The spelling of basketball is B is already written. So we will start from A, S, K, E, T is already written. So what is this? Basket. Now we will write the spelling of ball. B, A, double L, ball. This is basketball. Now the next sport is number 4. This is kabaddi. Which game is this? This is kabaddi. There are 2 teams and each team has 7 players. Now we will write the spelling of kabaddi on number 4. So let's move on the board. Now we will write it. K and A already written. Now we will write B, A, D, D, I. This is the spelling of kabaddi. Now the next sport is number 5, archery. What is this? This is archery and this is a game of shooting arrows. Now we will write the spelling of here, A-R-C-H-E-R-Y, archery. Now we will write here. A is already written, so we will write A-R-C-H-E-R-Y, archery. Now children, number 6, it is hockey. Which sport is this? This is hockey. It is played by 2 teams and each team has 11 players. Now we will write the spelling of hockey on number 6. It is written here. So we will write, every country has their national games. The national game of India is hockey. The spelling of hockey is, H is already written. Now we will start from O, C, K, E, Y. This is the spelling of hockey. Now the next game is cricket. Number 7, it is cricket. It is also played by 2 teams and 11 players are there in each team. So we will write now spelling of cricket in number 7. This is very popular game. Now we will see the spelling of cricket. C is already written here. Now we will write R and I is already written when we wrote the spelling of swimming. So I is already written. Now the spelling C, R, I, C and K is already written when we wrote the spelling of hockey. Now we will write E. T is already written when we wrote the spelling of basketball. Now the spelling of cricket is C, R, I, C, K, E, T. This is the spelling of cricket. Now the last game is on number 8. Which sport is this? This is rugby. Rugby, this sport is played by 2 teams. Each team has 15 players and it is played by oval shaped ball on a rectangular field. So now we will write the spelling of rugby. R is already written here, you can see. So we will start from U. R, after R, U, G, B and Y is already written when we wrote the spelling of hockey. So this is the spelling of rugby, R, U, G, B, Y, rugby. Now we will see fact of this chapter. A number of international sports and games were first played in India. Some of these are badminton, polo, chess and even snakes and ladders. I hope children you have understood these 2 chapters. Now do your work neatly, keep learning and practicing. Thank you.